Good evening. My name is Kristen Herring, and this is the response post for discussion board 4, chapter 2, the law of education, for Mr. Landon Grimes in ED LD 5213. One of the major stresses that I think comes along with being a building level administrator is staying in line with the ever-changing laws and regulations and policies. And as the building administrator, being able to monitor the things that we need to monitor, and knowing that the lawsuits and grievances are very easy to file makes the position in ed leadership even less desired by many people. I'm thankful that we were given a list of resources to use to keep us up to date. Amanda, you said it best when you said staying current will require us to read all the time. I would add to that we need to find trusted colleagues to hold us accountable to the reading and provide opportunities for us to discuss the changes or additions. Anthony, you suggested seeking out professional development to stay current on these updates, which made me curious to know how people get that. Where do we find it? So I will be attending the Department of Education Summit for 2022 this next month. And I thought I would look at the schedule to see if that is a place that we can get that professional development. If you haven't had the opportunity to go to the ADE Summit, I would recommend that you just look at the schedule on the ADE website and see all of the benefits of going. This will be my first year to go. There are actually several sessions that will be offered this year on laws and policies. And so I'm excited to see and get to hear some of those. You can sign up for the different sessions that you choose to attend each year. So it'll be an interesting experience this year. There is a wealth of information out there for educational leaders provided at the summit. And so maybe I'll get to see some of you there and meet you in person.